Well, you've got a video here from our friend. I see he's in the chat room over there. Tell us about that, Tommy.
Terry, 2E0IPK over in London, watched the show last month and saw the segment we had, what we did with Ray when we were in the park with Ray, where we showed all the different antennas, and he sent in a little video follow up for the Buddy Pole one that I showed. So it's pretty interesting. Let's take a look at that.
Hello, I'm Terry, 2E0IPK. You may remember me for this. That was a great idea, and I still use that. I still use it, and a lot of clubs are after the schematics for that, and I can't think why. It's a bit of string, but don't worry about it. Anyway, on to today. I have with me the Buddy Stick that came up in Amateur Logic 145 that Tommy was using. Now this is a really great antenna, and this is ideal for the 705. Absolutely perfect for the 705. You've got SOTA and you've got POTA. I'm going to show you the POTA way of doing it, really, because what I'm going to show you, you cannot do on SOTA at all. Not unless there's a car park nearby, but other than that, you can't use it on the summits. So we'll get to that right now. So let's take a look at the kit. Okay, so here's the kit we're using. We get two of these mast sections, 3/8 inch at the bottom there, with the sockets at the top. We've got the whip section, and because I have got the deluxe package, you actually get two of the whip sections, so that's really good to have. Then you have the coil, and the coil is absolutely brilliant. This is a great idea. I've actually put the tabs in at 40, 20 and 10 meters, so I keep them there, and if I use it, wherever I use it, I can use them, and I haven't got to change them around again, so that's really good. You get a couple of spare, I don't know, these are just covers, you don't get the actual clamp with it, so I don't know why, but you just get two extra colours. If you like yellow, you can put yellow on. Okay, so now we've got a tripod adapter, and you have the 3/8 inch socket at the top there, along with the screw there for the counterpoise, and an SO239 at the bottom. Don't worry about that bit, that's just my tripod mount, but you do get this knob at the top that actually connects it. That comes with a kit as well. Also, you get the counterpoise, which is quite a long counterpoise. I've actually marked that off in various areas for different lengths, so I haven't got to keep measuring the thing. But you also get, with the deluxe package, a clamp. Now this clamp is excellent, so if you're working somewhere and you've got a picnic table nearby, you can clamp the antenna just straight on that. That's a great idea. However, both the clamp and the tripod adapter are redundant today, because I'm going to show you another way. Okay, so today we're going to be using the mag mount for the car. Now this had an SO239 at the bottom originally, which I didn't really think, well, there's no way I can use that. So I ended up going on eBay and doing a WWED. What would Emil do? But I actually did a WWTD. What would Terry do? Because that was £4, and as I say, that is excellent. So the actual Buddy Stick will now fit into that on top of the car. So let's see it in action. Okay, so here it is on the car, all set up to the coil there, which I've already put the lead in for 20 meters. Then it goes up further. Now the thing with this antenna is, if you're out parks on the air and it gets a bit cold in the evening, or if you actually get a bouncy castle put up near you where they've actually got a lot of noise coming along, or it starts to look as though it's going to rain, you can just get right in the car with your 705 and carry on working. That's the beauty of this. And if you connect another adapter to coax to the other end of this and actually put a table along by your car, you can work from there easy. And with this you don't need any counterpoise because the ground plane is in the car. And it's got to get through the dust at the minute on this one, but we've had 4 contacts with it, so it works quite well. So I'm well pleased with this. This is absolutely brilliant, great idea. And Pete Waters of Waters and Stanton, which is a shop over here, he did a video and told me about this, and I think this is an absolute cracking way of doing it. Absolutely brilliant. Where I live, I've only got noise, lots of noise all around, so I can always come out and use this with a table next to me and operate in the car if I want. So no problem at all. No counterpoise, and this this antenna goes from 40, and I think it goes right up to 2 meters. So yeah, very well worth getting one of these. Buddy stick. Well, I've had 4 contacts with this on top of the car, and it's been absolutely brilliant. Yes, I am using the Yaesu FT450. The IC705 isn't available in the UK as we speak, or as I speak, but this is a great antenna for working anywhere with the car. Put it on the car. You don't need, as I said, you don't need the counterpoise. You've got the ground plane. And yeah, I mean, it will tune in literally 20 all the way to 2 meters. It will not tune 40. It will at the top of the band there, but as you come down, it will not tune it. So you would need a triple mount for that. But this is absolutely brilliant. I love this antenna, really do. Well, as you can see, well, you know it works anyway, because I'm telling you it works. But it's absolutely brilliant idea. I love it. I mean, I use the clamp, and I also use the tripod. This does give me a third way, which is absolutely brilliant. But I'm really happy. This will actually handle 100 watts, so you haven't got to worry about that. 100 watts is no problem. Anyway, I hope this has been of help to you. If it has, then absolutely brilliant. I will be adding little bits to my website, which is ipklondon.uk. If anybody wants to visit, more than welcome. And I hope to hear from maybe some of you soon. If you have any problems, or you try it, and let me know how you get on with it, because as I say, I love it myself. So anyway, 2E0 IPK Terry. I'm going clear, and 73 to all. I'm gone.
Good work, Terry.
That was excellent.
Well, that was cool, Terry. Thanks for sending the video. That's looks like a really versatile antenna, and those are some interesting mounts he had. Right, we didn't have the one with the vise on it, and then the deal with using the magnet mount and just putting it on the top of your vehicle. That's a pretty good idea too. If I think I'd probably get one of those 3-way magnets like you've got. This I think you got it from MFJ in the triangle formation, so it's good and strong. But still don't think I'd drive down the road with it, but it'd be good at the park or whatever if you were nearby.